Then no, I want to be independent.
Watch it.
I'll show her how to do it.
Watch this.
Oh, the bell. Ring the bell. Can you say bell, Hannah? Bell?
She's so little.
You want to get on that?
Take me for a ride, Daddy.
Good girl. Good girl.
Right here.
Uh-oh.
Can you,
Uh-oh.
can you say bell? Bell?
Okay.
Okay. Put your feet on the
Put your
pedals.
hands on it.
Here, let me show you.
Put
Want
your
me to show you how it
hand.
goes?
Put your hand. And your feet go down there. And they go down like this. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let's just put your feet up for right now.
In time. In time.
You want
Okay.
to go?
In time.
Okay, Daddy's
Oh,
gonna
she
push
just wants
you.
to do the- Okay, you don't want to push? There's a cart.
I think she's still asleep, isn't she?
Yeah.
She normally is riding over to Fort Worth with
Yeah.
asleep, right?
Yeah.
Is that baby?
Yeah, that's your little cart.
Is that your baby?
That's your stroller for your baby. Yeah, the wheels. Yeah, the wheels.